Alright, so you can see in this picture I've already got the grouped ones together like we did before. I've got the white layer on here, which if you're doing this you do want, and then what I do is above the white layer, I've already got one here but I'll just do it again so you can see. Above the white layer, create a new layer and go to edit and fill, and then you should be able to fill it with like a 50% grey. Okay, I'll turn this other stuff off. This is what you're going to see once you add it. And then if you go to overlay, now it's gone back to normal how it was before, so if I turn it on and off you won't even see a difference. Now on this grey layer, anything that you paint with black is going to turn darker. I've got my flow at 1, I'm just going to turn it up so you can see really you want a really low flow for this. But you see how it's darkening, but it still keeps the shadows behind. See how you can bring back a lot of detail. I'll just go back. I'm going to turn this flow down quickly and just show you like roughly how you could use it. What I normally do is make sure the hardness is all the way down, your flow's at 1, and sometimes you even want to mess with the opacity and turn that down a bit. I'm just going to leave it for now, and see like them lines on the head, you can darken them out, you know, like things that are behind a little bit more, like maybe in between the bones. And then on the bones, if you like in Photoshop I press X and that changes my white and black, so now I've got white I'm drawing with. So if I drew on the bones with a white, you can see the bones are now starting to come forward. So it's a good way if you've got a bit of time to mess with a photo that you can really bring it back. And say like this, now I've gone over it and it's too white, you can just go back to black again and just bring it back. If there's something what was underneath that you definitely wanted to keep, you can just make a mask, and now by rubbing out, yeah, I'm on black, it'll just go back to, you know, how it was. So if you just want to rub a small piece out, or but yeah, it can really make a difference, especially if there's writing or something like that in the photo, because you can bring it back. I'll just see if I've got a quick example here of one that I've done. I think downloads. Oh, maybe it's not still on here. Oh yeah, maybe it is. Well, you can see even on these ones where I've tried and darkened it down. But I did do a motorcycle that had a lot of writing on it, and I managed to get a lot of the writing back. Or even like this, you can see where like I just touched over the blacks, touched over the whites, and it made this come out a lot better rather than having all the shadow. And so yeah, just another quick tip that you can use. Thank you. Bye bye.